It's a most probable situation, especially near the project releases, wherein you have limited time and resources, but you have, large suite to execute due to business drivers. And to manage, such situations, it is important that your test suite is prioritized and optimized properly so that you can execute. You can basically start executing the test cases, executing high priority test cases first. And if the time doesn't allow you basically having the low priority test cases, you just do the smoke testing around those areas. Also, it is essential to know the hotspot areas of a particular build release so that you can ask your engineers, focus on those areas, because those areas have more chances of defect occurrence. By the way, having a robust and continuous evolving automation test suite is, one of the vital requirement to manage the quick turnaround.